What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Let's get right to it. First of all, I have heard from multiple people just in the last couple days who have been struggling to learn how to actually book flights or just search for flights on points and miles. I want to show you guys how you can actually do that. And this just may be me being ignorant or just knowing it for so long, but I definitely dealt with the same issues at the start. Was trying to figure out, okay, why can't I find flights on points with a lot of these partners? And it's actually, once you guys hear it, it is pretty simple to understand, but let me show you exactly what that is so you guys have a little bit more clarity on how to do it. So first off, just like you guys have a United account number, a Delta account number, a American Airlines account number, right? You get that by signing up with that airline and getting an account number, getting an account. So you guys have to do the exact same thing when you're utilizing partners. Just like you have those account numbers, you have to create or sign up an account with Air France. You have to do the same with British Airways, Qatar, Air Canada, all of these partners that we might use to actually search flights. The reason being is, as you'll see, some of them are a little bit more complicated than others. I will show you just a few of these that I mentioned, but as you'll see, you don't want to just search. These are going to be cash flights. If you just go book for a flight and search, you're going to want to do book with miles. And this is with Air France. As you see, if I want to book with miles, I have to log in and I have to have a Flying Blue number. Create a Flying Blue number, then you'll be able to search for award flights with Flying Blue. So you have to have an account number to do that. British Airways as well, you'll have to have an account. This is what I'll say. Go to the top and go book a flight with Avios. Now, one of the things is Qatar recently changed to Avios as their metric to book award flights as well within their system. You can actually attach British Airways and Qatar together, your accounts together. Make sure you have an account with Qatar Airways as well, and you can connect them so that your Avios can work for both of those platforms. Because sometimes you're going to get a transfer bonus with British Airways, and that's another way where you can book flights through Qatar if you find some award flights through Qatar, and then you'll get additional points by transferring them to British Airways because they're using the same system and they allow you to connect that. You can do that within the settings. This is the scenario with British Airways. You'd want to go book a flight with Avios, but you want to have an account. Now, like I just talked about with Qatar, this actually won't show if you're not logged in. So if I refresh this, I'm not logged in anymore. It wasn't before, but I did log in. What you're going to have to do in this scenario, Qatar, you can book an award flight and it's going to make you log in. So you have to have an account with Qatar. An award flight is checking for flights that are on points. Same thing with Air Canada. Same exact scenario. When you guys are trying to search these platforms, you're usually going to have to go to a specific page, or you're going to notice when you are looking for flights, it says book with points. Book with airplane points. This is how you'd book through Air Canada and at least do those searches. So yeah, I wanted to make sure that you guys understood that when you are searching for award flights with points, you need to have an account with the partner airline or with that system that you're trying to search for. And when you do so, then you'll click on the search tabs. Instead of just doing cash flight bookings, you will then search with award flights or search with points, and then you can check that way. When you are searching, right, be a little bit more flexible, choose multiple days, try out different days as well, and that'll help you. Hopefully that was really self-explanatory. If you guys are looking to book or search for award flights, make sure that you have an account with the partner alliance that you are searching for, and it makes it much easier. I got questions from people in my community because I'm hopping on calls with anyone who is joining the community as of late. So if you have not joined the free community, feel free to join it and get your questions answered. I'm hopping on free calls with you guys to connect with you, learn what you guys are looking to, right, learn more about, and to help you out further with credit, business credit, and or travel hacking. Do that, hit the like and subscribe button. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Talk to you later.